I decided which puzzle that I just bought. I bought a stack of 4 puzzles. You can watch the video, I link it. I think it'll be on that side, if I manage to link it correctly. But I bought 4 new puzzles, and this is one of them. The filming part is always interesting, because I have no idea what you're seeing until I'm sitting and editing. But this is a puzzle from Trefl. The title is Colourful Birds, and it's got 500 pieces and a lot of color. And I'm excited. And I took the plastic off because that's just annoying. And oh my god. Okay. Whoop. There is nothing but a bag of puzzle pieces, kind of obviously. That one will not stand there. Okay. But I mean, it's 500 pieces, so it's not the biggest puzzle. The size is, oh, here it is. 48 times 34 centimeters. I don't know like American measurements because they're weird in my opinion. Probably because I'm used to centimeters and all that. But I mean, you could have cut this box in like at least half. And maybe just, you know, if you took away, I mean seriously, you could take away 2/3 of the box and you'd still be able to fit all the pieces. Why are they having such a massive box for so few pieces? I mean, look at all the space. I wish puzzle companies were better at like kind of measuring it out. Like, we don't need all this space. And yeah, I get it. I use the, I don't think it's called a cover. I use the top of the box, the picture on the box, to see the picture. But you know, you can print out a picture this size. You just fold it and put it in the small box. So you don't have to basically pay all this air. Pay for all this air. But that's my opinion. What do you think? Should the puzzle companies take care to make basically smaller boxes so you don't feel like you're paying for a lot of air? I mean, you don't even have to pay less. I'm okay with paying the price. Just make the box smaller. That way I would be able to fit more puzzles. And, you know, because puzzles take up space when you store them, because a lot of the puzzles I do several times. So if they want me to buy more puzzles and actually have space to, you know, have them, make the puzzle boxes smaller, would you? Please. And Can you see it? That is the only puzzle dust that is from this puzzle right now. I know it's only 500 pieces, but still, that is very little puzzle dust. I'm very happy with that. finished. And yes, I've been sitting on the floor while doing this because I wanted to try something new with my filming, and I don't know if it worked, but hopefully not. But I finished. I liked it. The red color, it's a lot of it, and it was somewhat more difficult than I thought. Not that it was difficult, but it took a bit more time than I thought it would. But I liked it. It mostly sticks together, at least to a certain point. You can't lift like all of it, but you can lift most of it. It seems to have a decent quality that I can do multiple times, and this is like such a small puzzle that you can do it easily in, I don't know how much time because everyone does it differently, but yeah, I liked it. I'm very happy I did not give it to my mom because that way I could do it myself right away when I got it. So thank you me, or thank me. Anyway, that was the puzzle Colourful Birds by Trefl. I think I need some pronunciation help on that one, but yeah, that was it. I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video.